Finding long-term clients on short-term gig sites can feel like a challenge, but it doesn't have to be. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you how to turn short-term gigs into long-lasting, profitable relationships. Stick with me until the end, because I'll be sharing some tips you won't find anywhere else, and I've also got an exclusive offer for you to take your business to the next level. So, how do you make the leap from short-term gig to long-term client? First, focus on exceeding expectations. When you're working on a short-term gig, it's easy to think of it as just another task. But if you want to land long-term clients, go above and beyond in your first project. Deliver early, offer something extra, or make suggestions that show you're thinking about their long-term success, not just today's work. This helps establish trust and positions you as a go-to person for future projects. Next, be proactive in communication. On gig platforms, many freelancers wait for clients to reach out again. Instead, after finishing a job, take the initiative. Send a follow-up message, ask for feedback, and keep the door open for future work. Mention how you'd love to work together on upcoming projects or even propose new ideas. This shows that you're not just waiting around, you're eager and ready to add value. Build a strong portfolio, but not just any portfolio. Build one with client success stories. Show that your work led to measurable results or helped the client achieve something important. When potential clients see your history of successful projects, they're more likely to want to hire you again for their bigger, long-term needs. Now, let's talk about nurturing relationships. This is where it gets critical. Treat every gig, no matter how small, as a chance to build a relationship. Regular check-ins, sharing updates on your work, or even following up months after a project can help keep you in the client's mind. Even if they don't need your services right away, you're staying top of mind, and when they do need you, you'll be their first call. One final key tip: offer value outside the gig. It sounds simple, but it's something many freelancers miss. Offer a free resource, give a quick tip, or provide insight that helps your client in their business or project. This positions you as an expert, not just a freelancer, and leads to longer-term engagements. Now, I know that finding long-term clients on short-term gig sites isn't always straightforward. That's why I recommend DA's software name. It helps you manage your projects, keep in touch with clients, and even track the success of your work. I've used it myself, and I've got a free trial, exclusively for viewers of my channel, linked below. If you want to follow along and make these strategies even easier, check it out. Here's your key takeaway. Finding long-term clients on short-term gig sites requires more than just doing good work. You need to exceed expectations, communicate proactively, build a client success-focused portfolio, nurture relationships, and offer value beyond the gig. Keep this in mind, and you'll set yourself up for long-term success. Don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description if you want to streamline this process and make it even easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.